Okay, so I woke up this morning and realised it was B.A.P's comeback day. I'm like uber excited to see the MV. From the teasers it looks like a ballad, and I've been wanting like a slow B.A.P song for a while. I'm kind of excited to see what the concept's going to be. I'm just gonna have to watch it, but I'm really, really excited. Yes! Ah, oh, Young Gug. What a babe, honestly. I love his hair. His hair's dead nice. No, why is he so angry? Young J. Oh, I like his coat. Oh no, don't cry. What's with all the mannequins? It's big. Oh, Him-chan. Oh, he's burning one. That guy. If he wasn't so young, like, seriously. I love this song. Ooh. Not a fan of the white suits. Don't like those. Why are they all crying? Breaking my heart, honestly. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh. Did you just get shot? No! Oh no, he's gonna turn, don't cry. I think my heart's broken to a million pieces. Holy shit! Well, that was good. That was really good. I like... Wow. Like... That is probably my favourite concept. Like... And I'm so glad they got like rid of the blonde hair, because I think they all looked kind of silly with blonde hair, but oh my god, why is Jungkook so hot? Like, I can't even speak, but damn, that was good. That was really good. I really liked the song. The song was like, so like R&B, like completely different to anything they've done before. If you think about like their like debut, where they were just stomping around stage and chanting, to like Crash and Stop It, where it's a cutesy kind of concept, and then that. Oh, that was so good. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so speechless. Like the dance, like the outfits, everything was just like on par. Like I didn't really like the white suits, but then when they got splashed with paint, I thought that was good. Wow. Can't wait to hear like their little mini album. Oh, I hope they release a full album soon. They've released so many mini albums and repackaged albums, but I always thought like they need to rest, you know, like I think they've like been out for like a year. We're getting close to a year now since the debut, but I don't know, I just think they've worked so hard. Like think about how many like MVs they've had and like how many performances they've done, how many albums, and like I don't want them to be like fainting on stage or anything. But I'm gonna have to watch that again and just soak up like the awesomeness of that video. That was just I can't like explain. Bye.